I saw that coming a mile away. We're getting the engine out of the truck. We're getting the engine out of the Jeep. I want to get things done. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread Box Racing and 4x4. I know it's been a little while. This winter wound up going unusually long and kind of ran out of firewood, if I'm honest. Anyways, we're going to go at it hard here, and I'm going to commit to doing a video every week until Father's Day, because I got some projects I want to have done for Father's Day. As some of you may know, we've got a big show and shine that happens on Father's Day here, and I want to have a few things in it. First of all, I want to have the FRS in it, non-negotiable, and I want to have it with this new rear bump or front bumper. Second of all, I want Dino in it, or my Jeep. We're going to be starting a 6-liter swap here. That's what we're going to be going hard at for the next few weeks. I want to have it at least moving under its own power by Father's Day. It might not be suitable for doing highway speeds. It might have, you know, homemade drive shafts that are unbalanced, that are really only good to idle around on, but that's the goal. And to do that, we're going to be pulling the engine out of the red truck. It's an LQ4, an early model LS, if that's what you want to call it. It's the same architecture anyways. We're going to be taking that, the 4L80E, and the transfer case, putting it all in the Jeep. So that's going to make the electronics, the bare minimum to get the thing moving. The electronics will be easy. Getting it all integrated with the factory stuff isn't hard, but it will take a little bit of work. This weekend, we're getting the engine out of the truck. We're getting the engine out of the Jeep. I want to get things done. So that's what we're gonna do. All right guys, so we're gonna start tearing into the Jeep here. It's gonna be a lot of work, but we're gonna get to it. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're getting any mechanical bits. We got the AC condenser off. It's just draining the transmission fluid out of it, because from here up is a transmission cooler on the later models. We did recover the refrigerant from this. I didn't just vent it to atmosphere, so we're all good there. So we're going to start tearing into this. We're going to get the radiator out, after all the coolant's drained, start pulling out the harness, air box, stuff like that, and get this thing ready to get the engine pulled out tomorrow. So let's get to it. This is what, like, the guy she told you not to worry about.
That sounds rounding.
It does. Oh. That's because that's like a 50.
Oh.
The other one was not. Okay. That could have been worse.
Stuff your viewers don't get to see when you get shit in your face.
Yeah.
This is Sparta!
I was just gonna do that. Oh, I saw that coming a mile away. I worked so hard for you. Now do something for me. Alright, so I might have forgotten to film an outro. Anyways, we've got the 6 liter out, we've got the 4L80 and the NP246 out. I'm going to try and find an NP241 to use. It's nice having that, it'll get the thing moving, but I'd like to retain the factory shifter in the Jeep, and I can't do that with that. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got the 4 liter out of the Jeep, as well as the 42RE, the NP242 transfer case. I'm not going to use that transfer case. A, the conversion kit to put it on the 4L80 costs more than a Chevy transfer case that bolts right up. I can get an NP241 transfer case, certain years, have the right spline and everything, and they'll bolt up in, you know, a couple $100. Conversion's pretty near $1,000, and that doesn't, you know. And then there's also the problem that this transfer case probably won't take the torque that the 6 liter makes. That's why they made a heavy duty version for the V8 Grand Cherokees. Just a wider chain. Anyways, we got lots of room here, but not enough room for the exhaust. There's a couple ways we might handle that. We might go switch the headers side to side and come forwards and down. I suspect we're going to foul on the power steering box. We could raise it up and use block hugger headers, and a car intake that's a lower rise. That would work too. There's a couple ways we can skin the cat. Just gotta make up our mind. But before I go there, I'm gonna get the thing in there and see where it falls. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. We'll find out. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. I can't wait to bring you some more videos on this. I'm super stoked on where this is going. Things gonna be badass when it's done. There's just no two ways about it. I cannot wait. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.